Hi, I'm Jazba. I'm a professional makeup artist and beauty blogger, and today I'm going to be talking to you about MyGlamm's latest launch, Jet Set Kajal Eyeliner. They've had the black shade Noir out for quite a while now, and it's become quite the fan favorite, so they've decided to add to the family with a gorgeous midnight blue and a chocolatey brown. It's got a creamy texture, which means it glides on super easily and leaves you with a rich pigment. It's totally water resistant and transfer proof, which means it's really long lasting, and it dries down to kind of a demi-matte finish. It comes in this twist up pencil format with this easy grip tip, so that means you can hold it comfortably and get your line perfect every time. The Jet Set Eyes Kajal eyeliners have been tested by dermatologists, so you know that they're safe for your eyes. They're also packed full of antioxidants. These liners are perfect for creating a graphic eye look, as you can see. We'd love for you to try them out, and if you do, take a photo, tag us on social, and let us know what you thought. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon so you can get notifications from MyGlamm.